Hey, have you heard the hilarious joke about the big guy at the gym? Instead of lifting weights, he was more focused on lifting the entire buffet line.
Wow, that's pretty brutal. But as the saying goes, if he really wanted to shed some pounds, he'd have to stop treating every meal like it's his last supper.
So true, I actually witnessed him sprint once, straight towards the ice cream truck. It was a scene right out of a comedy movie.
I can picture it. But hey, everyone loves a good dessert, right? That's why we always snack in our videos.
Exactly. Honestly, who cares about six-pack abs when you could have a delightful six-pack of donuts instead?
Right. Are we actually filming this? Because I know people will go wild with laughter and comments if we keep it totally real.
Absolutely. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, everyone. We need all those views for our legendary snack fest.
Yes, remember, a healthy diet is a pizza in one hand and a burger in the other.
And let's face it, life is too short to skip dessert.
Absolutely. So hit that like button and keep those comments coming.